Welcome to my YouTube channel, Wonderpedia. Cruise ships have long been synonymous with luxury, relaxation, and boundless adventure on the high seas. However, beyond the shimmering facade of these floating resorts lie some truly astonishing facts that will leave you in awe. From their massive size to the incredible logistics required to keep them afloat, cruise ships are a world unto themselves. In this video, we unravel 5 crazy facts about cruise ships that are sure to blow your mind. Titanic versus modern cruise ships, a Titanic transformation. The tragic sinking of the Titanic in 1912 is etched into maritime history, but the evolution of cruise ship safety since then is nothing short of remarkable. Modern cruise ships are equipped with advanced technologies and safety measures that make them virtually unsinkable. In fact, the Oasis-class ships, operated by Royal Caribbean International, are about twice the length of the Titanic and can carry more than double the number of passengers. These floating giants boast cutting-edge navigation systems, advanced radar, and satellite communication, ensuring a level of safety that would have been unimaginable in the early 20th century. Floating cities, the enormous scale of cruise ships. The sheer size of today's mega cruise ships is mind-boggling. Royal Caribbean's Symphony of the Seas, the largest cruise ship as of my last knowledge update in January 2022, spans over 1,180 feet in length, making it longer than the Eiffel Tower laid on its side. It's not just the length. These vessels can host more than 6,000 passengers and feature an array of amenities, including multiple restaurants, theaters, shopping centers, and even water parks. Cruise ships have essentially become floating cities, complete with their own hospitals, police, and fire departments to ensure the safety and well-being of passengers. Culinary marvels, feeding thousands at sea. Serving thousands of passengers and crew members daily poses a logistical challenge that cruise lines have mastered to perfection. Cruise ships are equipped with massive kitchens that operate around the clock to cater to diverse culinary preferences. The Symphony of the Seas, for instance, offers over 20 dining options, ranging from fine dining to casual buffets. The amount of food consumed during a single cruise is staggering, with provisions for weeks carefully planned and stored. The kitchens are a hive of activity, with chefs, sous chefs, and kitchen staff working tirelessly to deliver an exceptional dining experience that rivals the best on land. Underwater wonders, thriving ecosystems beneath the surface. While passengers revel in the luxuries above deck, cruise ships also harbor fascinating ecosystems below the waterline. Akin to artificial reefs, the massive structures of these vessels provide a substrate for marine life to thrive. Corals, sponges, and various fish species are known to take residence around the submerged portions of cruise ships. Over time, these underwater ecosystems become integral parts of the local marine environment. Cruise lines are increasingly aware of their impact and are implementing eco-friendly practices to minimize the ecological footprint, ensuring that these floating marvels coexist harmoniously with the marine life beneath. The unsung heroes, crew life behind the scenes. Behind the scenes of the glamorous entertainment, delectable cuisine, and seamless service lies the dedicated crew that keeps the cruise ship running smoothly. These unsung heroes hail from various corners of the globe, working tirelessly to ensure passengers have an unforgettable experience. The crew's responsibilities range from housekeeping and culinary services to navigation and safety protocols. Living and working on a cruise ship often means spending months away from family and friends. Yet these individuals play a pivotal role in creating the enchanting atmosphere that passengers enjoy. Their commitment and hard work form the backbone of the cruise industry. Cruise ships are marvels of engineering, hospitality, and entertainment that continue to push the boundaries of what is possible on the high seas. As we navigate the seas of innovation, cruise ships stand as testament to human ingenuity, creating experiences that truly transcend the ordinary.